This video is about transformation rules in IB math. Remember, in IB math, do not allow shrink or compression. When you write down the transformation, use the description like this. Something followed by something and then something. Reflection. G of x equals negative f of x. A reflection in the x-axis. When g of x equals f of negative x, a reflection in the y-axis. Stretch. G of x equals p times f of x. A vertical stretch with a scale factor p and invariant x-axis. Invariant x-axis means the points on the x-axis stay on the x-axis. When p greater than 1, the points will be further away from x-axis. When p less than 1, the points will be closer to x-axis. For example, this is f of x. How to sketch the graph g of x equals 2f of x. The transformation is a vertical stretch with a scale factor 2 and invariant x-axis. So find the x-intercept. These 2 points will stay. This point, distance from x-axis will be doubled. So go to here. Then you need to connect these 3 points. This will be g of x equals 2 of f of x. It's a vertical stretch with a scale factor 2. Let's make h of x equals 1/2 f of x. Same, the x-intercept will stay. The vertex on the original graph, it will be closer to x-axis. The distance from x-axis will be half. It's here. Then you can connect these 3 points to get h of x equals 1/2 f of x. This will be h of x equals 1/2 f of x. Let's look at B. G of x equals f of qx. Since this q is with x, we will have a horizontal stretch with a scale factor 1 over q. It's not q, it's a 1 over q. Any number with x, we call this is an insider. Insider is a liar. And invariant y-axis. The points on the y-axis stay on the y-axis. They don't change. When q greater than 1, the points will be closer to y-axis. when q less than 1, the points will further away from y-axis. Let me show you example. Assume this graph is f of x. G of x equals f of 2x. So we have a horizontal stretch with a scale factor 1/2. It will be closer to y-axis. Invariant y-axis, find the y-intercept. This point won't move. Then get this x-intercept. The distance from y-axis will be half. This is another x-intercept. The distance from y-axis will be half. For this vertex, the distance from y-axis will be half. Then you can connect these 4 points. This will be g of x equals f of 2x. Assume h of x equals f of 1/2 x. The transformation will be a horizontal stretch with a scale factor 2. All points on the f of x, the distance from y-axis will be doubled. And remember, the y-intercept won't change. So for this x-intercept, 3 will go to 6. This is a -1 for x-intercept, will go to -2. For the vertex, the distance from y-axis will be doubled. Go here. Then you can connect these 4 points to get h of x. This graph will be h of x equals f of 1/2 x. For translation, g of x equals f of x plus k. A vertical translation, up key units for k greater than 0, down key units for k less than 0. B, g of x equals f of x plus h. Since this h is with x, inside there is a layer. It's a horizontal translation to the left, h units, when h greater than 0. To the right, h units, when h is less than 0. Or we can use a vector, a translation through -h k. For IB math, try to use a vector to show the translation. For vector, we have x, y. For positive x means translated to the right. For negative number, translated to the left. For y, positive means translated up. Negative means translated down. Let's draw a conclusion. Vx means a vertical stretch. Hs means a horizontal stretch. WSF means with a scale factor. For A, f of b x plus h plus k, we call this is a transformation form. So when you do the transformation, make sure the function is a transformation form. Then remember, inside there is a liar. Any number with x, like this b and h, are liar. For this a greater than 1, then a vertical stretch with a scale factor a. If a greater than 0, less than 1, still a vertical stretch with a scale factor a. For b greater than 1, then a horizontal stretch with a scale factor 1 over b. If b greater than 0, less than 1, then a horizontal stretch with a scale factor 1 over b. If a equals -1, we will have negative f of x. It's a reflection in the x-axis. If b equals -1, we will have f of -1, a reflection in the y-axis. If k greater than 0, a translation up k units. If k less than 0, a translation down k units. For this h, when h greater than 0, a translation to the left h units. When h less than 0, a translation to the right h units.